Hi, good morning everyone. This is Nisha here. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is very special, so make sure that you stay tuned till the end in case you really want to get rid of those freckles, pigmentation, dark spots, and you want that beautiful glowing spotless skin. Then you are the one who needs to really definitely watch this video till the end. This video that I'm going to talk about is going to talk about very basic ingredients and actually going to help you get rid of all the brown spots, pigmentation, patches, as well as very important freckles if you have for a long time. So if you do this diligently for around a month is one of the best time to get the results, but you can actually see the results within a week to 15 days. So make sure that you stay tuned, like, share and subscribe, and let's dive into this. Now, very basic few ingredients I'm going to talk about. One is nutmeg powder and red lentil. This is how it looks like. So what you need to do is you need to take probably 2-3 spoons of red lentil pulses, and you need to take nutmeg. So you need to either take a whole nutmeg or you can use nutmeg powder, and you need to mix, take a blender and kind of blend it in a jar. So you use red lentil pulse and nutmeg powder, you blend them pretty well in a jar. So probably you can make more and keep it for a longer time in a fridge. That will stay probably a week, so you can keep it in a tight container. So nutmeg powder, red lentil pulses, a pinch of turmeric haldi that we also call it. Also you need a little bit of hung curd. Now when I talk about hung curd, that is this kind of a curd that basically you remove the water from the curd and it's nice and thick curd. So what you need to do is, I have just taken a little bit of masoor dal or red lentil that you call, as well as nutmeg powder or jaifal that you call in Hindi, and I'm going to add a pinch of nutmeg haldi in this nutmeg powder. So I am going to just take a pinch of turmeric, and you need to take a little bit of hung curd so that when you mix this you kind of make a good paste out of it, and it's not very it's not very thick, at the same time it's not very runny. So you need to make it a good paste. Now the reason we are using nutmeg powder is one of the best ingredients, which is very well known for removing pigmentation, removing brown spots, removing freckles. So no matter how old your scars are or blemishes or pigmentation is, this is how you can see the consistency of the paste. So this is how is the consistency. These are the only 3 ingredients that you need. If you have, you can also use what do we call lemon juice. That is also one of an amazing ingredients. So this is how this is how you make your paste, and I'm going to quickly show you applying this paste on my hands. So this is how you're going to, this is the consistency of paste, which is thick enough. You will apply it on your hands, and you can apply it on your full face, because this is definitely an amazing pack that will not only help you cleanse the skin, and we will leave it for drying for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'll tell you what are the benefits of the ingredients that we've used here. So you can also use what you call lemon juice in this. I didn't add lemon, so I'm skipping it today, but it'll be amazing if you can add lemon juice as well. So you apply it like this, and you leave it till the time it dries, and then you gently wash it off. Now when we talk about red lentil powder or pulses powder, as well as masoor dal, or that we call it in Hindi as well, and nutmeg powder. So this masoor dal definitely helps to cleanse and exfoliate your skin. It kind of lightens the pigmentation, lightens your skin, brightens it, and that's why we use that. Then we're using nutmeg powder that targets your pigmentation. It targets your brown patchy spots. It also targets your discoloration if you have anywhere on the skin. It has a great amount of antioxidants, so it also takes care of damage, sunburn and damage if you have free radicals on your skin. So that kind of treats all those issues in terms of nutmeg powder. And hung curd is really good in lactic acid, so that kind of nourishes your skin. It removes your blemishes. It also kind of exfoliates gently your skin and makes it brighter and smoother. Haldi or turmeric powder that we're using is of course an antiseptic thing that kind of brightens, that kind of makes your skin glow, that can also cleanses your skin from inside and gives that inner glow. So that is also antifungal, so that kind of really helps to treat any skin infections if you would probably have, or any skin irritation that you would have. So these are the benefits of the products. Of course, lemon juice we all know is highly rich in vitamin C, and that's the reason that has skin lightening properties and skin cleansing and brightening properties. Also, nutmeg powder helps you, in case of skin aging, so that kind of slows down your aging process as well. So these are the benefits, and this is where you need to kind of make this powder. Keep it in a airtight jar in a fridge for a week, and you can use it 2 to 3 times. I think you can actually use it 4 to 5 times a week, तो आपको results और भी ज़्यादा better देखने को मिलेंगे. So if you keep it around for a week in a fridge, that will stay perfectly fine, and you can use it every day if you want. Agar you only want to target your freckles around the face, you can use it every day on that area. If you want, you can, you do not have a very good skin and you want to get rid of brown spots, patches, discoloration as well as freckles, apply this 4 days in a week on your entire face. Let it dry, sit on your face, and then you gently exfoliate. So this kind of really exfoliates your skin, so you have to be very gentle. It doesn't, so that while you're scrubbing, it doesn't kind of really harms your skin, though it's very gentle, but you really have to be a little bit cautious so that you don't harm your skin. So this is where you kind of gently exfoliate once it's dried, and you just wash it off with cold water. And trust me, you use this only for 15 days. Within a week, in fact, you will see an amazing difference. And 15 days, amazing difference. 1 month, you will get rid of all your freckles, spots, and you'll get those beautiful glowing bright skin. Make sure that you go ahead, use this pack diligently, and once you've tried it, please don't forget to come back and comment on the channel here as to how were the results and did it really help. So thank you so much. If you like this video, make sure that you share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned so that next video that I'm coming up on is taking care of sunburn, skin damage as well. So stay tuned for that. So this is where it helps. I'll just remove it and show it to you. So this is where I've kind of just washed it from my hands, and you can actually see the difference. It's so soft, so smooth, and you can actually see the difference. Very soft, smooth, and clear. So of course, yes, this will take a little time, but the most important thing to make these home remedies work, or these DIY remedies work, is that you really need to trust this process, and things will happen. So if you do not trust the process, I would suggest just don't go ahead and do it. But if you do, then I'll quickly sum up for you. That is a pinch of haldi powder, nutmeg powder, masoor dal or red lentil powder, and hunker, and a spoon of lemon juice is good to go. Use it 4 times a week on the affected area where you have freckles, pigmentation, discoloration, or your entire face, and you will see the results within 7 to 15 days. I can guarantee you that. Absolutely no side effects. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.